how one manufacturer automated their end of line. This manufacturer wanted to reduce manual handling and improve productivity. Let's see how they transformed their end-of-line operation. Collaborative robot picks each carton from the conveyor and stacks it onto the pallet. Collaborative robot stacks every carton with consistent accuracy. Once the pallet is completed, an autonomous mobile robot, AMR, transports the completed pallet to the next station. The AMR automatically triggers the high-speed door to open before passing through safely. Then, AMR delivers the pallet directly to the robotic arm stretch wrapping machine for wrapping. After wrapping is complete, the AMR transports the wrapped pallet to the next station, where it is automatically transferred onto a plastic pallet for shipment. The AMR collects the pallet and transports it to the outbound conveyor, ready for delivery to the loading bay. While one pallet leaves the factory, the AMR immediately returns for the next task.